Hello beautiful people. Dating back more than 5,000 years since their first cultivation, chia seeds have now become an extremely popular go-to item within the health community. They are easy on the digestion and offer a mild, nutty flavor, which makes them perfect to add to desserts, smoothies, and porridge. They can be eaten raw, soaked or ground up and happen to be highly nutritious. In addition to giving incredible energy, chia seeds also provide many amazing health benefits, especially when consumed frequently. The following things will happen if you eat chia seeds every week. 1. You'll improve your digestion. No need to worry if you're getting enough fiber if you have chia seeds. Just 80 grams will give you 100% of your daily requirement for dietary fiber, which helps to keep your digestive system running smoothly. It also helps to eliminate toxins and excess waste while keeping you feeling fuller for longer. 2. You'll increase your energy levels and endurance. Research has shown that athletes who consume chia seeds have more athletic endurance than those who don't. When chia seeds are soaked, they form a gel-like substance, which remarkably contains just as much energy as many popular energy drinks. At 100 calories per spoonful, they are one of nature's best sources of pure, raw energy. 3. You will lose some weight. The amount of fiber in chia seeds is enough to shift the scale in the right direction, helping to keep you feeling fuller for longer while ridding your body of excess water and waste. It also contains plenty of zinc, which is known to stimulate leptin. This helps to regulate your hormones and appetite, keeping cravings in control. 4. You will increase your brain power. Chia seeds are an excellent source of easily digestible omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for the proper functioning of the brain. It helps to fight depression, both by reducing inflammation and by building up the tissue in your brain associated with happy feelings. It also helps to boost cognitive function and memory retention, giving you a bigger, smarter brain to work with. 5. You'll have a stronger, healthier heart. Because chia seeds are so high in soluble and insoluble fiber, they help to lower cholesterol levels and clear out any harmful inflammation and plaque buildup in the cardiovascular system. This helps to prevent heart disease and heart failure. They are also a rich source of antioxidants, which reduces free radical damage and rejuvenates deteriorating cells, giving you a stronger and healthier heart. 6. You will lower your risk of hypertension. The powerful omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds are great for lowering blood pressure and reducing inflammation. Chia is also packed with magnesium, iron, potassium and antioxidants, which help to give you better quality blood and bring your blood pressure to its ideal level. This means fewer headaches, less sweating and less risk on your life. 7. You'll reduce your chances of getting type 2 diabetes. Chia seeds contain alpha-linolenic acid and plenty of fiber, which has been proven to balance blood sugar levels and dramatically reduce the chance of developing type 2 diabetes. The gel-like soluble fiber helps to slow digestion and prevents insulin resistance and blood pressure spikes, which is a great source of anti-diabetic support. 8. You'll have stronger muscles and better workout recovery. Who would have guessed that these chia seeds are a total protein powerhouse? They are one of the densest sources of plant protein, helping to give you strong and lean muscles as well as improving fat burn. Not only that, but they are also a rich source of highly absorbable magnesium, which has been proven to reduce muscle cramps and speed up recovery after each workout. 9. You'll have a bigger, better smile. Chia seeds contain the same amount of calcium as a glass of milk, which makes them excellent for maintaining the health of your teeth. They also contain zinc, phosphorus, and vitamin A, which helps to reduce plaque buildup and eliminates bacteria that causes bad breath and gum disease. To conclude, chia seeds are so incredibly good for you that you can be excited about adding them to your diet, knowing that they add texture and flavor as well as boosting your happiness and health. They only need to be soaked for 15 minutes, and can serve as a wonderful replacement for eggs in baked dishes, or can easily be added to desserts and smoothies. No matter how you choose to have them, your body will thank you for it, one bite at a time. Thanks for watching today's video. If you find this video helpful, give me a big thumbs up. Please, don't forget to comment and subscribe for more videos. Bye and see you in the next video.